is for?
Are
you doing the crossword puzzle?
Look at Daddy.
What's number 6 down?
Number 6 is this one.
Okay, what does it say?
It's
What does it say? What color is your dog? That's the answer is white.
You want to show Grandma your panty?
I saw them.
Who is wearing panties?
Oh, the big girl panties. That's cute. Are they Hello Kitty panties?
Yes, you show where's the kitty cat?
I thought I
Where's
saw.
your kitty cat? Because Katie will be in the toilet, so she can wear panties.
Oh, that's wonderful. Just like Mommy and Grandma.
Yes, we all wear panties.
This one